Millgate is a technology provider based in the UK who deliver end-to-end solutions that make technology work smarter for businesses. Sustainability is part of who they are and are consistently working towards being more environmentally friendly. With Millgate emphasizing infrastructure efficiency and continuity, solar panels offer both financial advantage and resilience against power disruptions. Adopting their new 155.5 kilowatt solar-powered system, they'll be saving around 84% on their energy bills. They've future-proofed themselves with sustainable energy solutions, which you could do too. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, lower emissions, or simply future-proof your home or business, Secure Renewables has the technology, expertise, and support to make it happen. Join us on the journey towards a cleaner, greener future. Secure Renewables. Because sustainable power isn't just an option, it's the future.